chia because one you careful na and some way bubọ kwa ne kodrum pempenso say ekoye later na no so ho asem akoye yi Asante Achim Central MPP chairman na mu Joseph Amoa we nye yekrum Alan Joseph Amoa we another Joseph Amoa MPP chairman Asante Achim Central am ne ka say hello me mo achi o meja
am Joseph Abru
na mpom to say
na me adumo
enra Jachi Richardson ene nipa num bi eye nsentrefo nhemu se album a edamoni mu amode kwoto aba na akoye family and friends delegates no omode omasem koda national anope amene na di nkomo na asem ne se national se ombehwem demom etimi ma se wa wo ye chairman no na ekuo bi asori se a ye betwa waja ebasa na je se ya ma pepe ye kura anya adwuma dia na also work fa album any one press conference ho
Imi ameda wasen. Misi ya onu watiefo nyina. Election. The cash election a process. Obako akofa forms. Obako voting. Na uko voting ni ya. O qualifier na mo contest election. Voting mo no obi wa kra na obisa ne se dey position be no pa also MC. When you know that now obinum the brain India or producer of a woman constituency women organizer. Meanwhile, a police station abandoned your control. A 2 year no what they call national. You are McMahon need on board with Frey. The new woman now. The choir no Omama Eddie and Tia, been disqualified by. Yet they obia forms. Yo kai ni bibia de command from share no nom so monko to amaduma so yenu anu ntu omo ho ase ada na ni nyina no okra brief obi se kire a wo ye sa na yama
ana se kire
me wi am de audio bi ba ma omo be conference we no press conference we no omo ka se ma obia fa Kofi Fosun cancer t-shirt ma mo obia se Kofi Fosun cancer t-shirt mo se Kofi t-shirt akufu aduba umi ala ntramatin t-shirt ai di kire se emma obia hu se Kofi Fosun cancer na hechiri amani a kikiri na certificate constituency primaries 2020 yewra Kofi Fosun cancer before over contesting and I will see. If you want to say Jantos and Tiatim
Kofi Fosun cancer, the Pacho, Chairman Kofi Fosun cancer, NEIPCU now can I say we?
I
Mufi on the surgery.
Me on the hatchery
90 one more moka say, yes, you will be a one de onim sisi no wadaroma
anu de obia on the right ana bato no yina ko yie national mo de akọ ye de enkratia wo hu nyina ma ye beso ni nyina guka mo de koy ye mo hwehwem ehun sa bato no no aro no enti ye mayi aduma efiri ho no manuan mu nti omo ho ase ada wow eku mo ye sentrofo ko sia le numre bia no if you know na copy mensia mo na ko no odumase mo fo mo asun tutu fo mbo wonde yakoso wa na ni nyina mo anu de me betu ho anamo astiama no betu ho anamo
acha se wo fi se obi a obe pre MP eno akoye kana sichi akota o machi se wo mo ntumfuturo ngunkrofo anim
sana tie pepe nura
Kofi Fosun cancer wo chairman no oni ne di nkomo ana woni ne ntamu nye
ye beto constituency election primaries no meti reconciliation team ti efi ho minim sabato de okwa se de tie bia benkum ana nifa ebetwi enti efiri omu wi a nanka ya fre na ye fie na nyina aka bom ni yakoye ye frɛ owura no frɛ ne sɔfo no an sɔfo ka ho e frɛ no wa ma na sɔfo mpa frɛ wa ma na me cha ma me frɛ wa obeba ndi me wura sa na ye di tia santi atimoa
say wow ye chama about him say ho nyo se ne ope no
anyo because I had you there ameboa na mom no be pre kodi independent candidate se enye party ni na ene ni yan kamo ni yan ka be pre so ye be tu be bre asen se ugodi independent candidate here amra no so we you ho free party na so no oya e se council of elders o yenya na yan kamo ni na na se ya jaya ste wo mo yen be bre me be di chama no mo suspension e be traffic say no you to emphasize the church and church free meeting ama eji tum na free safo ni nyina na electric ban no safo na still be bre egusu yes ana man
okay
nesime da wase
etia fa no nyina Yaksin group of companies ena ede Yaksin herbal mixture Yaksin co mixture Yaksin ointment ena Yaksin natural capsules abedwaso na sa medication ya na sa enroi herbal mixture boa bon ho ban ema malaria menstrual disorders sexual weakness piles eye koko to wote Yaksin co mixture na se koko wo so atutumrika na ko gibi na Yaksin natural capsules ma bema untrimu da ho ma otimi ewuregura ma o yire sori anopa na se wakodonku anka se mi wura ye menhia wa na ointment no so bon ho ban wobu on man apampa mu pa ye fie ha no mo Yaksin Abia babu o ebi mo apampa mu po me menka ho mi anu metwam sakura bisa na yesa so boa chemical shop bia herbal shop supermarket ahodo tieme okwa ye was silver sets ye were pants Yaksin group of companies yes also dealing in ope silver papa silver set how do you call kitchen akoye aduane a o freye ne a pants ahodo enti frɛ number is a sia ye ma wadro no ne ma kitchen so ayefe 024 4723541 024-472-3541 and 026-570-6004 026-570-6000 Kwabra utie grofo ya semu a asante achim ensem ya the chairman is a legend say kwasi fosun kansa na shechire well you need anything to prove tonight say but o chairman o there ono so im doka akwasi akwaba mama ni kan ti anopa ya nte won kana fe kwabramrem
yemfan free ha ya no
baby ade be free bia nsem no so obekọ oil for gold o say obekọ you know the jar floor na ma me dofo kasa
mama kan we ni tia wara men call gold for you no asem wo mai sade yenim se abato bia ba aya na menteme ho ase eba nchen ye no we nya de fofra fe na abaso empempi no an ye ba beto aba wote na chama we sei na secretary we sei ene de kaka ho aya na dosho na ade ba ko a aya mpanyimfo no nhyɛ ne nso eye se ade ne yemanfo no pe wo mu a ye de wo mu ba no anyam bia wo mu no mu pa na ampempi no an ye tate se abom ya sesa no ye de foforo na eba wo mu beto aba na ye pi no adi afrim ehu ihia yen hwɛ se pepepe ye obetumi aye adwuma enu mom ne hia we obekom no obi interest o wo bi interest bi wo baabi wo bi na ekeka kanoma bi bobo bibi hyehye nneoma bi mu na ama we akwakoba ne se ya emaburu bi nso asode ya wonom so eka de wonom pei ya basere mpanyimfo wo ma adwobrɛ mra wonom nkonom nkosiesie we nya gidigidi bi anie wonom nkan ye fisem wo mo ntena se no mo nkan ma de na nneoma tuntwa no my god for oyo no ho asɛm no wo hwɛ Ghana sane yesi bi boye bra no a etoda metena se dwene ho a akwakwa se bema waware na sabio na ware no a wate ase ni nyina achi wode ne ho all right so ware de a onhya abusua se biem nanso abusua na dwene ma no saa na ɔma yes saa na ɔman no akɔ ya ware all right adie ho ɛde afiri kwasi broni nsɛm ɛnso dan da nyinaa no akɔ sɛ decision akwasi broni betekie no ɛno na wɔsɛ Ghana yɛfa enti yɛda sɔre putupuru so ne yɛkɔ ne yɛkɔkɔtie maame ne yɛ papa nom no mo kasa akwasi wɔba no kɔ gya no wɔba yɛ no ano akyase na wɔkasa hey yɛ na paka onu ama sesa no nyina free fie ha kɔ ɛyɛ saa decision no a yɛntimi nwene ma yɛ ho sɛ adwene wei ne yafa aha ne yɛkɔ aha ne yɛsene aha ne yɛba enti sɛ wɔkɔ na sɛ nnɛ no ne ho yɛ ne dɛ no wɔbɛ so ɔba no ɔba no ɛba bɛhyia nnamu a adeɛ bia da ɔbɛyɛ bia yɛ ɛbɛma ɔba ne tiri mu ayɛ ne dɛ na wɔtimi ne na hyia wɔ nam bia no wɔbɛyɛ wɔyɛ wie pɛ na adwene na san so akɔ baabi ɛda no a ebi ne de Ghana yɛtimu no sɛ yɛn mpanyimfo no ɛpɛ biribi de afiri temamufoɔ no hɔ sɛ wɔn mo pɛteku sɛ wɔn mo pɛ sempoa wɔn mo pɛ de afiri hɔ a wɔn dɛfɛdɛfɛ yɛn sɛ wɔpɛ power ɔbɛdɛfɛdɛfɛ wo wɔnya power ne wie na sɛ wɔpɛ biribi foforɔ de aka ho a ɛno so ɔbɛdɛfɛdɛfɛ wo na ne dɛfɛdɛfɛ no akyiri no wɔwie a na wɔde wasa akɔte bia dada anim na wɔde wakɔ akɔsi
na na yɛn so yɛ besi na ɔmo da so de yɛn na da bia ɔmo da so de yɛn
wɔman so ɔbɔ ɔdɔ ne kunu ɛyɛ saa bia nie wɔman no yɛ dɔ ɔman Ghana no boro so ɛna yɛn mpanyinfoɔ no
party ana yɛ dɔ ɔman no
sɛ de bibia na kwakɔ party no ɔman no a ɛsɛ ɔman yi a wotimi nka nkyerɛ m sɛ woni party na party bi wasɛm hyɛ wotimi
ɛdan a woto abakɔ
baabi enti obiara wɔ party bi a wɔjoin ne obiara nso so wɔ ne botaye nti a wɔde di saa party no akyi wɔwɔ saa wɔdɔ soronko ɛrema party no agye nipa baako mmiɛnsa bi na wɔtimi de take decision sɛ deɛ aduru no deɛ wɔyɛ me dɛn enya de ameto aba no sanse mato a mehunu sesan bi a wode ba nipa baako mmiɛnsa bi sanso na wade nso esu eteye enti wɔman akwakoye sɛ saa de ni nti no amanyɔfoɔ pii no afa Ghana no mum ɛna duru ma bi a wɔn yɛ nneɛma a ɛnsɛm fata ɛde kyerɛ yɛn na nka yɛte ba bi ɛna mbɛka kyerɛ sɛ good for oil ɛyɛ good initiative yɛnim sɛ yɛ na motuo pa ɛne yɛba yɛ kura mpo yɛ tena yɛ ha ɛbɔ yɛn nsɛm hyerɛhyerɛ ɛde ma mpanya bɛ de kyerɛ sɛ wayɛ adeɛ wɔtu anamo obi ntu bi da wayɛ adeɛ obi nya bi da sansa Ghana yɛ ho kyerɛ yɛn wɔhɔ yɛ fango a ɔman no no so Ghana ne Nigeria dɔɔso bebree sin ɔman Ghana
260 million
yɛ sɛ ɔman bi huna mane a enya Ghana na so eti wo man say wo de nneoma bi gu nsanie nia na wototo nneoma bi na wo hwehwehwe na se drum bi ne mpanyimfo no sa be compare say na wo de oman bi toto Ghana ye lucky ana mente ne lucky na wo ka no ana mente ase so oman a ye 30 million plus na wo man bi so enenam 200 million de kaka ho na wo betime de 30 million na be compare 200 million abaka che se ye kura ye lucky na ko Nigeria mamu a wo mo kura no wo mu su petrol ni ade wo compare Nigeria to Ghana yanya pe
Lagos nko akra ne ye kra ya pe
Lagos wo man enti drum ma bi a ye mpanyimfo no ye hia no kore ka se God for oil ye ya tamochi ya bompa ya palma mo anokwa makwa akoya de aba afa hu akontabuo no eno so akwa bibia ho akwa nwonworan ye hunu nanim ne ye hunu nachi ena afa de wo ka ye de bobo adum ni adan ya se diesel kura ne petrol eneme ba na
me petrol boa e den change
yes petrol boa kura mpo kwosoro se diesel 15.25 and you didn't know one year
dollar no so peja o
ba se peja na peja
dollar so na am 13 ko
adon shinki ye kwa di Christmas nki ye boma ba so se mo ya ade se dollar bo no kofom dollar kofom
ama say ya so within about a week or two say ntimi amabaka on be sa peja ne on be peja ne me
enti wa man se ya tana se ne ye hwani se yia no a ha dwene ade baako a meka de akyere temamufo no se wa man sabi mpraduasa se obi de ade yewa no yewa etoda na nso no atena se no adwene ho no osusu sa ade ye ni paso mesede ye me no e wo se misu mitwia ne ka wa man duru ma bi a se ya take decision bi a eden a ye ntimi mpem ko yanim ye mpanyimfo no bekoso ade adwene di agoro se ya sanso omunim se de Ghana fo pene se abatu aduru wodi sika hye machisim wakọ constituency wakọ ichesika wakọ cha aduane eno ane de yepe yewura Kennedy sha se wo pre mampanyina dwai wa ma de hwa enuoma wa ha se a wo ye enkane no so na wo pe obi a anoye ahonhom adware ne firi soro kwaka fom so obetimi adese wa no ye enso ne ye ntesa anuoma ne nyine o ma wo sere
wasisa
so wasisa o ye se nyane ahyira tare fofo wo ba be di mampanyina
wa ye me foforo
se wo eye sa anuoma na no mo ye enti Ghana fo hunu se wo su ne wo ban asesa wo ba bi a
I was saying I saw no crowd there say the oye. What to one more kaya a she say baby obeko bia oja entroye bi wo wo de hwe konfa no chi de hwe ya ma me no no mo race course na esuma duru wo mo henkane a ode abegu race course shren a ama na atutubotom fo pe baby afei wo ye no free ho a hwe cardiothoracic unit at 37 na o mampani na na dodanko kufu ado kra so duru ho o hwe dan aka di siama o mo eso so wow papa ni wow individual wa generate wa fund the past 7,168 ti o mo ka bosume obi enu abasa bosume so yentua ne ka me dem say ka abato no mo koto no ke kama passe obi a oba be pra aba no Ghana for musa ne say why in your own estimation
dia no why
ama Ghana
yento aba ma wo
simple dia na why ama Ghana emabunu why ama ukrom why ama unkrofo because onim politicians say what Ghana nyina o madidi o man ni wa mo wato o say tamakoso ya yeyi o ba pani je kufo na adwuma wai Rollins obi adwuma fa ni pasai Atamils of any pasai John Mama no obi adwuma akosi sai Nanado Adu Chambers kakra ya atete John Kolende money ade me yes so offer ni pa more than 100 crown in life muda vice president ma o mu nyira edidi aban ho saa eti edu me bia o se etim busa o mu no se o mu nyira wa na tunya fa ni pa be 500 adwuma why
o ba be pe tumi ya
aso Ghana for we should wake up
I was here sorry wo man na make say I was
no bia ba o adwene sa unti akosia unti asem we da we do abone branti ohia esika ebi obuka na ekue no
emre bi atwam wo man eno ne Ghana fo gina so
we do abone brawie
so ready
ohia esika sa obukra nyanyanya krache ene anka de o mo obra no kra ye mo no bra
se de aja
anya ohia bi obeja bi
e ka za wo ba ye hu
ono kwamo de no ti what did sakra fu ba ya beti ase
no ma wonim se wan ka sa wo bre wo moja ani ho na wo kiteska na wo di kwadwomu a enioma a woto no wo de adwene sabio
eto ho
ana so obi che wo sika na se sika no oh yes eno so
se de odi no
wodi nyafunya ye mpanyimfo na yesa eno wo ye
kwabra
the last time na no danko akufado ba kuma se komanhia afekesiem and ye wura de asem to nanim e ho asem no kakara no eye me de pa wo ka kire na nado se ana baby e wodu kwa de wunhia hwe bi o ka de baby e woduru wa ba obra
na Judin
change
wo se wahini bia wote akunwa so a won kasa bebre nanso asem no a wo beka to ho bia
emodu sa voice no pa nka menyabo
yes
I think there's a video to that effect
osina na baby odu de me kai se bla nyina anom ne obom panifo bi ono mutu anamo kakra mo bepi mo UK
sa video no nya nka be me de pa
o ba me ho nyina sana wo se be wo sre bi kakra se
uhia
hwe Judin
na ne uhia hwe
boss 2020 election no hwa de bi wa ha say 2020 election presidential no NPP asante atim ho ayeka ho asem ya na nado danko akufado nya 27,155 asante atim ha ya ayeka ho asem NPP presidential na nado nya 27,155 percentage wise no 69.78%. John Muhammad nya 11,521 making 29.
Kabran so mami na me ni Mohammed Kudus ntwetwen komo MPA PRO Kudus me mo ache
Ejoso.
Now bomb to say.
Nyamedum, na wo se.
Yeah, wo ye pa. The ATN say 11 oil marketing companies out of the 27. Now say komutumi yen say kakra na omo reduce omo pricing with respect to oil for gold deal no. No cresa and I say atisem na yesu ye ka bi kire mu kakra.
But I say na mamenche wonu utie fo nyina na the program no ban say enyo bia na wanya sa supply under the gold for oil program
okay
and the
anya almost supply under the Gold for Oil program, no, yeah, signing an undertaking to see the reflection of the price at the pump, because the gold for oil supply is cheaper than the prevailing market price. And it's over from the gold for oil. We're expecting to see a reflection of the prices at your pump. You're monitoring some of the oil marketing companies, almost answer the undertaking.
Okay.
And there is already sanction on its way against this particular OMC, because you try ensure at all costs the benefit that is in it does not end with the businessman, but rather gets down to the consumer.
Okay.
And those oil marketing companies, you are taking note of them and would be acting against them as soon as possible.
Help Boami Waha. I said diesel no na eso ate na petrol de eso ante ana.
Yes, because this first consignment under the program, they ever the 40,000. Then you are diesel and petrol and camo.
Okay.
It is that we're expecting the next consignment to include petrol.
When is the next consignment coming? Next consignment Rebada Bay.
Oh, me a specific date, but it is actually within this particular month, because the program lineup from January to March, and so when they said they are cheap,
no.
The program specific date, makes it here I don't have it. But
okay.
There will be consignments in February, there will be consignments in March.
Oil for gold dealing, there's a whole lot of it, sir. Gold ankasa na this time moto this Ghana cash na koto no kresa.
I'm buying this press release so that it would inform the discussion around the whole program. The basic medium of exchange for the supply of fuel is gold, but there was exception in the event that the supplier is not willing to take the gold in this form. The Bank of Ghana is allowed to get a broker who will take the gold and convert it into cash for the supplier.
Okay.
And
okay.
In whichever way you would want to look at it, still the gold. And yet to say Bank of Ghana for gold biome, then they've come to take the dollar from their vault to go and buy the product. No, it is still the dollar. You either, as a supplier, have the option to take it or to ask it to be converted into. And here, dollar, the gold is a store of value, on the price, and it is easier to know the amount of gold to really be converted into a particular cash for the supply of a quantity of the product.
Okay. Mohammed Kudus, why? Thank you very much. That's Mohammed Kudus Anope and Ode and Semno Abeto Yenimuno. Mamenya quick birthdays we see Raphael Safo Asamoah University of Law Manchester and ne papa birthday na Nana Kwabna Safo MD Quanta Electricals Company Limited. And now your birthday, and we celebrate you, Raphael Safo. Ewo Obakai Raphael HR Ewo Swami. Okoye law na isi a okwako bo na yi ne wo hono ne papa nie. And Raphael Raf Sani Freno Raphael Safo Samoa University of Law Manchester. Ne papa ne Nana Kwabna Safo MD Quanta Electricals Company Limited. Happy birthday to you, sir. Oban all the way from Omautrim Kwa. Wishing you well. Sounds so. And Benis Atta of Ejoso Krapa. This is coming from your husband and daughters. Benis Atta. Happy birthday to you. Benis Atta. me ma otiri nkwa pa onso so de no ɛna afia mansa kusi ahen ɔwɔ ahene menhia palace sɛ yɛn ka nkyerɛw sɛ ɔma otiri nkwa afia mansa kusi ahen ɛna your birthday that is it former day
girls a head girl Kumasi Girls Senior High School.
Kumasi Girls Senior High mo head girl no
former
yo and the head girl ma trinkwa Benis Atta I think I've done that Pakaro na de buy okay producer Mr. Ma CEO of NEIP ya boni din wa ha entimi ma say ye betime di nkomo no ne Janetra Asante Achem Central and the producer Francophone Kansamae ni ene ne twetwe nkomo ni enti ono soso because the chairman say one na hye ayi you can say press conference asia why you hinted the echi a person wo say mu a Asante Achem eti misrewa producer get me Mr. Kofi Kansa Kanino Accra Digital Center sisi a ono na ye NEIP wakɔhyɛ John Kuma nan ɛwɔ hɔ no mo ɔmo kra na ɔmo ne Ghana Enterprise Agency ɔmo lanche sa you start no na so yɛ na ɔmo hwɛ atoto nneɛma eti me pam kyɛw a moma yɛn sanka Kofi Kansa na yɛn ne nkɔmɔ I think I have Kofi Kansa on the line immediately na yɛn ne nkɔmɔ because Adea mempe ene se obebo obi din na yaye program na wi ansana dabi nipa de unim CEO of NEIP Mr. Kofi Kansa me mo ache
je so mi nwa Omanhene me chete for ma pepo nyina
umpom to say
ya me adom pa haboko nkra me gidi se Kumasi mo ho ye
Kumasi boko na enkomodie koso Asante Achem Central Rantie Richardson mo aye press conference album amode koto aba no ho atochema na omo mpere eti omo sre party mpanimfo se omo mrem na ye fra chairman Joseph Amoa de kasa ye mu ano so onim ba bia we nyina free ba na ye wa wona wo hihye akire no aye interview akire na omo to aba wie ye kra no o call for reconciliation committee wo sofo frɛ wa ma ono amu frɛ bo wa ma ti akwai te sɛ ompa asumdwe wa Asante Achem Central uyi ano say
yo my that's not okay mesre kuntum posem na chairman o kan me very chairman because of fake because abo na yigina mu di no na fake abo Asante Achem Central no ka say yento ababia wo ho you over 100 police stations over 600 delegates say was like a Yaw, but I could cry any why on my tour about a me police station or second for Anna Cameron, the perfect Moma Quanya, Kamaya delegate to coming John Kuma police station, let's try your coordinator just and the MP.
Okay.
For me, anytime PMP, because I'm presidential, but I'm to be. It's me important stakeholder. I'll be a question in me pay a press conference, make no idea that me organize be. Adea Akye in some bets. A brand new. It is a million be free, sir. Division Abba constituency because I'm penny 4 and inches also because I'm a depart on a shell months. I'm no MP Adamfo, our year MC, and on by the head of constituency elections committee. And only MP share them on for more family, on for on for Magu album, more galamsey, or more influence on so more to be an Mudia, or Macasomina, Mubija, Macasomana, but down on the album. Fake album. Agent so they are selected. Fake constituency executives. Naka party for on my party, Juma Sama delegate since 1996. Kofi Fusuba premise Urusu by just 40 votes because of my machinations and they are trying. Almost to Abama, I mean, what does our boni in a community is strong. Yet is our bono by Juma, and other Mama Kwama, Oman, we delegates, and also the Genebima, on way to Abama. It's more Casa boni in a mamma, even one person opportunity. More than one second pro, so could independent candidates. I am funny, sir. As you may have admitted, say true, could independent candidate. Asante Achem Central MP before you now. I'm one of delegate than say. And I said, more of politicians from me, bidda. I'm interested in contesting. One of a chance, other contest will be in the constituency. Like I say,
electoral rule ye to aba akwasi nyase mensa nyase ene yakeka bom ne akoleti say resource ye ni omo anye bibia sa omo share dem na omo ye na previous executives unfortunately petitions upon petition are interested stakeholders here track about 5 of them including sending one to alternative dispute resolution area ma Mrs. Rapana ni nyina ye record ya timpani for enka ena new executives by concerned legacy amu kwan amoma san contest ma san tire another one echo and also since November mountain ka then taibo and omo de bomb penifo so omo sere wo paper na abeda ho no omo hu say omo yebi wakwati omo yebi a win 3 constituencies and omo other reverend because they are trouble if omo yebi wasanti ashim central so ma yen na sumdue ma ho if you see na e kan obi na 2020 na bi bo anyo omo a me pa mp picture last minute I dey refer pa acho so mo independent videos and picture evidence one so still nipa 12,000 ye nyina ebre ye nyina nipa 12,000 na antoma ba MPM kotuma independent candidate aka 6,000 votes pe nanka independent candidate na BTMP so obi o ye strong kakra bi ba da acha so mo nsie sia asem MPP bit ma luzu seat ni independent candidate penifo ntie yasa o ma ya asem bone di ko fu so di be prefer na me chira intiri me important stakeholder in the constituency constituency no mojo so ye to aba na obi aboto ne yam ne be united ene ne bepoa me ama MPP atumpon wo ye pese break the 8 enye kokwasa ne asisie ene de munko amu benya kwan ye mo mine ne mo galam si ne nti motresa ne ma so no nye eno na me hia me ne mo de be ma MPP ye presidential votes akosoro wo ne timi break 8 ne pese break 8 enye MP onye popular onim se oni obi ane ho de ko gina nipa ne be bi tene nti o me nto aba and see ha santi achim central pool Jubilee House for ye ni baby MPD jeri enim se na ho den ko form because of a plan fast na manyo se no amam for any so eti ogina ho ma level playground da beto say ye nyina ho na say ye ni agro na ontim eti na
na be ba cho why indicate say obesa contest ya na
Mesa contest because I am on your no enquiry. Amanya so many say be card na sana na nu am ya to aba no be na mo abe panko for cho no mo gofu a continuous engagement me no ka say afi makwa akoye health screening and health insurance free for over 4,000 people in Asante Achim Central MP 15 years obedi MP 4 times onye bi sada na bere na unso na onko ye reference say dream e wa batu only nipa ni din ko mo kasa ofro no afa no put in place structure to respond to them because the system ni fully developed and this approach obi we school na recruitment agency no akonye adwuma no aha political system na am for rely on so if you are not ready to relate well with the people, if you are not ready to engage, I mean, what is your business going to be a member of parliament? And MP is a voting committee in our couple of workers here. Now, constituency that what answer the baby. Both parliamentary and constituency work. It is a MP, sir, almost more than our year, Jumani, and so watching and Ziano 2 years. Oh, no, it's also a contest. And because if you're in a bantam, maybe you're in a bantam station, and in a month for a dinkomo, or more cost center, they are more. Bibi pra omutimi de fra edekoye sa ya amanyosem eti empanifoni so me de empini ni chama kan kwa no ka de hunhia me empanifoni so mo se concerned delegates no me say na me pese ka me gina as police station ma nya kwan interne ye ka se yasan ko to ba o se ko for police station me fie o ko no hudu ma se me ko for no me say gina as police station
okay ti dia mo kan se omo makwan na mo san to aba no for me ba
other places.
All right, Kofi Kansa Medas Yanope. Wish you all the best. Okay. It's 8:16 here. Yaw. I think na kwabna no see. Now my figures be. Kwabna
na me kase
wrapping it up mama na me nko kwabna you ho na me ma pa na
me kasa Asante Achim ho asa na man ketenkete wa afirase no. Omo hwe ne ye na anyensam. Yade etade abufu hyew eba party bia mu and party bia ekọ party mu na ekwan ba ko mienu bi so no uhunu se yesisi no anaso uhunu se intention bi ekọ ba bia ede niema se ya na eba ya na eye niema bi ma yehunu se ye kamima men kabi na yede ye adwuma no enyini anase eye den nti institution bia kra wo mu no sa ne man ketenkete bi no expect se beba na eba ekwan ya mo be fa so mbotimi asolve sa issues no eno ne ade ya na ehia pa problem there said the urban be makra am ye where they crowd assault them no ensam ketenkete bi ho no mo abeba so obi bete mo ntamu asem a na gina mo no mienu so obi nso ntemo asem a na ye mo mienu so party no I know very well so mo mpanifo da sa constituency na no a etimi toto ne mama wo mo nto mpanifo no hwe na mo ntena se na de entwa yie bia no ye yi media free party we ni ade no empampi no party bia be ko elections bia no a sa ne man ketenkete we no etate na no amokọ nkran sei ye yi di afrim na ye mpene na ye yi we di afrim eyade a ekoso kakran na ya na entwa yi mfama party bia nti
all right yeah brem tiawa na fe ma hu se Fuseni wa hasa so na ono award Marco Collins wa
akunta we de ayi mpomponsu
ebobonsu nana
se men kan cho sa de kese atonani
hey
wase de kese atonani nasi
oh nana
nasi da fom nti mpomponsu se me mo amane se ani braba wase nyankopon ya adoma emena fiada ebei elodi nasi na wotweda
obatu ya wudi edru ha kaimena fiada yemfra tuntum kra nkogina me na nachi hey azantima pomponsuo ne hey therefore yakọ na pa ya sembroso
nyasem ketwa ayemoni momi achia no
ayamachia o munyina no
akota kofinkansa wonya abotre kofinkansa wonya abotre akota sitting MP ni tu na fomo sitting MP a system a edaho ya hye no over the years kwame yi madu antwo nko ba ko akobe 4 times
16 years
yes 16 years no the parliament delegate me kan say a system a adahwa no na benefit na onina contested twice once
the second time
ni the first one on no call you no
bisa jonkuma
bro wo ejuso ansana ultimate cream ayi adiomi ato
no ba ya na pan
sir
college no killer o
sir sitting MP ni o
sitting MP o am say na sitting MP ni o college na was sitting MP okotu no agori what you
basa na ta na chi
but me ni ma basa bi I was not there
say o dia no be say Kofi Ofosu dia bia where chairman e fake that be Adea chairman na be hye ama bana koso whether open asem no and then no I say oko defe no krokro no ajade na free nsam
akoye ti say Yonkuma MC ya no e chairman
yes oh papa
MC ya chairman ya man chairman we ya oso okofa ba ko dey say okofa former
eso frimpon
Yonkuma any brief akopa MC ya ma no after 1 year pena or the budu former ECG boss what did be to Yonkuma hey let's politics
ade sitting MP ni tu na
ade sit na busu ani
na bende
Yonkuma di obeto no kwa
chairman de ya unzaku wo mpamasem ba ho defe no o de ko se so ko
tafu sei
tafu
e wo say you hey pa
enu kumai
Vincent asefua sa lady bi ne fen say
Carol
why no
yes
se si a ni mu asa ye du
na baby o se no so
baby e na ko se no oil and mining ayi adwuma o ye ho no gani mu edu na osa wo chairman ni papa
na former the longest serving MPP chairman chairman
akwa hom jemba osa gira ho o ye funding father
constituency
this is atifua nyina ye papa wa hwe ya Carol no betu no
yes ye nua
ma se me kan so me kan bu na maka oh defe no ba Kofi enya tactical
yes untonable pa because Adea chairman otumi chairman was
and Kofi kwa ages on the side
yes on defe no kakra ayimadu die na akota bende
ayimadu so nyire ne ho
uga before no ka ho
enya parliamentary select committee on constitution ye asante achim central konongufo wo man kan chen so onko hyemra enkoa mo konongufo su na kwan yewe nema bebre how can say independent candidate benya 12,000
yes yes
e wa Ashanti region
akota nsuo bia so che tuo mu ehwa ebi na eto ayemadu anchi
yes
onyina yi because what
obi ti say Benito akwasi jamfi kra
akwasi jamfi de o akota woni no
Jakubu no alu tubu ta obawi ni o
no mu so mu nya ni papa bia ma ne contest na kan Jakubu aye what the MP for 20 years akwasi jamfi nche project papa was why what the MP even o district capital
Mr. Jakubu hotel
Jakubu adai
Jakubu kro
akwasi jamfi adai
eso mbeto ama no
na omutuma na hwe no man for masem bi
da bia say o sa na ka o beto ama no
na kuto omutuma
o say akwasi jamfi
akwasi jamfi ati no aye
o say Jakubu
na no speech obema
em say ya asa nya professor de ko parliament
san yama wenya na delegates re hwe o hwe omo comparison bi NPP young boys no more call parliament no, as compared to NDC young boys omo impact of parliament say you Collins to nchen Collins ore no okasa of parliament here ebi o hardman NPP boys no common statement also mo make you floor of parliament or dey the momo parliament adwuma no so akontama ka kire say e lobbying o lobby
that's a parliament sticker call first time he's doing well
sticker
Collins is doing well
nya ka na bobodin akota bobodin nya ka no na for compare
Kwedu
why
Manchia South Manchia North he's doing well and na abrante na okotu asibe yebo ano
ebi na wo busai
deputy minister
ebi na wo busai trade ebi na wo busai ebi na wo busai
awurade abi before
compare NDC boys no okuje to black to me set ade no
no so order dada all 12 years
I say your boys
Sam George mo mutala mo ni ade no masa wo opposition wa no ade
MPP
opposition kasanko
MPP ko opposition uti akwasi jamfi bro for say parliament MPP ko opposition uti akwasi bro akwasi jamfi bro for say parliament akutenti ade ni bi ho no mo a ni nyina ka wo bi na ma delegate
obi di say Benito say onyina ye Benito the constituency suit what deputy minister for 6 years
yes
mines
it won't ultimately
mining
fine Uko minister wako kache
se say many Collins din komonye so tia na America me friend Collins na ye ko chichire and ye friend na me Collins school we pa there oso Omanhene mate
yes
ana no kofo ne go school no na ada
akwa chichire
da chichire kwai na palogo
and
then daso
Collins on your first time in
akwasi
jamfi atra parliament 20 years every Johnson no so obo ase kwan ne Johnson no so tu Jakobu 20 years untimi mi engu kwan no was a parliament kasa
it's information sorry hey na to boy na obro boys ya wanyo ezi abani pa so untimi mo no for saying the bomb to say
oh yes you adumo
bibi aboko
ka bibi aboko na
ede na aka
konfanoche physiotherapy ho
ade
ese machines ba kokora nya adwuma
konfanoche physiotherapy machine nya adwuma
treadmill ba kokora ni ho move
oh how
I am even surprised
oh professor Adea Mensa so no see anansia na oba
enya ho nko niema
enya Mozart
oh masa
enya Mr Mozart momo na no mfa na ni hwa wo kakra ma ye na
bibia Omanhene apart from that denka bibia ye
na osu nyanin eye kwa Omanhene na ne ate anopaisa na naso ahwere ne maame na kwa Omanhene eko ekra na Sompa FM 4 nana odoye dodo enti yensuso de betima kan se ye ma o yakọ menim sa adofo nyina nana kwa Omanhene nana eko akra nana osu nyani kwa Omanhene ne ma me ni mpon ye ma kafra pa why nana Collins the bomb to say
yakopon na do bom patcho no ye pa
bibia boko
twedem po daroma
okay na umpeso aso to say
hoboko
bibia di to ure o da go twa omo
On find a bush on phone and go album. No, so
yeah, I said, well, what is primary time? I don't know, Chrome head dead.
also be na share obi na share kire ko choro won telephone numbers e de ma delegates omo ko fa forms ni nyina na nipa over 200 omo nyina number ye MP number
MP number
adai krono no bi o ho mo ba mo nya ntoku ye mo for MP.
How can 200 people all have MP's number?
Aba
come on, be a lot deal.
We are the defend way.
I was a code yam so social to Tony. Yes, my brother.
That's a man not to watch.
Collins. That's my buy here.
People as a bar. Oh,
Collins me bow. Collins TV. Collins TV. I said my buy. I got your brother travel the kitab.
Debbie, Omanhene. Krono no bi o ho mo.
Collins say. What are you about? Collins say. He has me buy. My friend Afa. Omo ye my friend chairman. And your friend say.
Concern for no.
Kofi so I body team my friend no. Eti me tie me dey go.
Ye ho aba.
Wa ko bokro no na ko wonka.
Ya go.
MVP duro mu primary so mu boni pa yem do.
O jade o kika na mu dey mu ye chai. Jade dey mu ye chai.
Ano anaju be ye 1 am. Ni ato ayi.
Police anu mo. Dey ya o chama wa Ashanti region ya wo be kan obi dey. Dey na kwasi adum na dum no. O ti anu ba be kan obi dey. Na kwasi e kan na ni nisuo. Ye chafi David to anu a oso ekura nso. Ye so akwaji ska o ntumi o. Eno dey wo ba be kan obi dey. Enye election time.
Ye ncheji abo.
Wow, look.
Ye to aba homachi 1 am.
That. Well, we dey say album ejoso dey no. You and I were not there.
Oh, they been na urevi se wana meti.
Sorry o.
Mi picture no.
Hello mo to about.
Wa mo na go dey na mo ya. Oh, sorry.
We your friend election shenanigans.
Can you imagine?
It favors the smart. College is all gasa. They didn't come college.
Now mo say na mapa mo minority leader dey.
Aye.
Ekulu lo.
Hey, of the parliament never. I'm giving you the floor. Talk. Mama the floor. How come it dead? Oba ko ekululu. Coup d'etat. It is how na mo ko otin. Otin. Obetran. Me bamba. Obetran. Oh, mami Musana Sam. Pacho. I'm asking the parliamentarian, not you.
The sitting arrangement in parliament. First 4 seats, no. Leadership.
Good.
One leadership. Minority leader.
Minority the after forcing.
Deputy minority leader.
Kofi Amabua.
The chief whip.
Agbozi.
And the two deputy.
Agboja. And I'm
2 deputy
chiefs. No.
Yes. I'm not training.
And so better we cheap.
Oh! Hey, any part general dear me. Your seat can change any moment.
Minority leader in the office. It's a whole.
It's an embodiment of a minister.
Yes, on a conference place.
He's paid like a minister.
Secretariat.
Just I don't know what was one room.
Obepa me hobby.
Hey,
that is the truth. That is the impact of the sea.
Yeah, I feel when I would tell you
that was me.
There was somebody there before he also came.
Oh, me pacho. Nipa kono about obe replacing. Process some fast so the Haruna.
Okoye health minister.
That was not the process.
Those days time na unya nkoye no. Na MP square new office.
Oh, it doesn't change anything. Oh, yeah, can they you are you're talking now.
Oh.
Masa mukuna no odin. Mukuna no odin pa.
The reasons for the coup.
Almost energy.
Almost say one.
Almost here economy.
Also an economist.
Economist.
And that election we know.
Ebe gina economist.
Na Mr. John Mama economist.
Why?
Another.
Oh, well, hey, head of economic management team.
Almost say let's take it one by. Almost say election
that's right.
It's about the economy.
Oh, there be I'm cover by.
I say it's about the economy. And yes, sir. And that they need an economist.
Very good. In the person of Ato Force.
Thank you.
And they need an energy expert in the person of Ufia Mabwa.
Or economist.
On your economist.
Oh,
main election. You can't flag bearer.
Oh, there be elections.
You can't flag bearer.
Debbie, you are talking about the obey leading to the election. That this election is
in
about
parliament.
In
Parliament.
Some person who presidential candidate this. There's only one economist. Before.
Also, no more pen. Yeah, so all right.
Almost regional balance. The patrol leadership no more. Say no more baby free. Do you know that as at now, all the northern regions, there's only nipa back crop in leadership.
Say no more binti asem.
The regional balance reason or the man.
All the council of elders chairman who do Idris Sumama. I represent it, and I don't mama so from the north
to take effect. Regional balance. There's Asante region count.
And at Sremun count.
It's him count.
About to say Sremun Asante region. All right, any come out. We're looking at the oil for gold. And Hon Susan Swa Abba. And in Sema Free Mwaba. Mami Sase for Fuseni. This oil for gold deal. Now, as you saw, so no question. You see, and the MPA for can say 11 oil marketing companies are almost distribution. Omo realize say omo take diesel no sokra. Na they buy any diesel, any petrol. February, many kudusi din komo say a second consignment will arrive in February. It will involve diesel and petrol, but the first one was diesel. 19 ama who said diesel no crowd aba former petrol na pejano and no one na make na do so add up. He said beg China to support our debt restructuring. Akufo-Addo tells Germany
should stop that.
Why should he stop that?
Agrobi higher won't take
Mamintio.
My Yankasim papa Omanhene.
Yes my brother.
MPP yenim se omo de omo wiase omo bae no ade omo ye ho ade pa ne e friend say yen rap nipa enti na omo tajejeje guess no omo no de papa
acho nkoma wo de minim are you a victim
asem ade na ojama hu
Debbie acho say
mejeje guess
because Collins wa MPP ni onye wo get. It's when you say Omoji girls, I'm not personalizing it. Omoji girls, do you have anybody? Waji
madam for me.
Okay.
No, you see, what I want to the entire me cite this example and say when it comes to rhetorical sloganeering, yanka someone to trima about to say the one main preocupa the whole world MPP neteso.
Really?
Obetimi akasema kire be you say the word di ame uboko akodu fi ansa na waka say Sam Ndidi. That is MPP for you. You see, when they started this gold for oil deal omoka ho asem I said they were just trying to divert Ghanaians' attention from something. What is the net consumption of fuel every month for Ghana?
400,000.
It is a ban we catch us and make petrol fuel a month ama swati no ko 40,000 ba no say man to nyum frena 400,000 minus 40,000 I can say enka 360.
That's right.
360 no I other BDCs now mo na anya bi no are they also going to reduce their price?
Nope.
So ye koya na say buy the second option is say how sustainable is this particular gold for oil deal? Because gold, you know, Anglo gold and funny gold in Koma Abai. Newmont and funny gold in Koma Bank of Ghana. A year
gold fields.
Farmano. Because they are listed on the stock exchange. Into my time of my dear helicopter number of my dear co. A year small scale miners yina. Yeah, catch almost a momo dear. Yeah, mammo crime
through PMMC.
This all the PMMC. But what they also forget in say, Sabi, yen such a from plains for no, you are dear be a friend no, a pre-financing. Inti me kodom e no my friend Collins say, oh, nkuko honum pa. Inti said the beya me dom aburo ni wia meton ama wonti no Collins say ma me dwetire kakra phone na me kodon mehia ebia 20,000 I say okay mama 10,000 fashim uwia me je aburo 10,000 worth a pre-financing.
Okay.
Most of the small scale miners ni nyina no a pre-financing no mo ye. Inti India for ne China for ne ye nuanu bi di sika ma omo. Inti obetu gold ni ba wie na nipa gina ho a oje na ade. Inti ukoka say ma bra export. Ebi so kra ye licensed gold exporters. Inti ukoka say wa bra a nipa na gi nipa ni sika dada. I say odi ni gold come man no. How are you going to be able to stop the person from doing it? Inti mo say odi mra ne ba for no obeka so otwen kakra ebedru baby no court. Because one man your friend is saying license say otimi export gold. I feel say say must stop and fanko. It again in the first place was not sustainable. But omode koye fanfarism. E de koye e manto nyum frɛ yɛn wie. A omo hu say anybody above say no, now they will have to come and account for the quantity of gold a omo gye ye. Etimi de ko fa just 40,000 metric tons bre no. Now because they know they will have problems with the accounting, so there be any gold in the koye. Yedisika mum na kotoye. The
receipts are there.
And I miss how do they account for it?
No, the receipts will show. Definitely they can't hide such a thing.
Masa, abanwi, amadi ekra we di say jeto o mami. MPP aban. Amadi ekra COVID sika kra IMF the man say fabre Ghana for kra we di. Na sika e gold I would recommend so on to one I expect say or the ninja na be kwakoto oil na bro. There will be problems with the accounting. They know it. So they had to quickly run away from it. John Mamanyaka said at the end of parliament ni yenye ni ye pe. Say there be yenye gold ni e de koye. Ye di sika na koye. See ye di sika na koye cry no cry na say asem since when the Bank of Ghana became a BDC.
I was talking to Kudus the PRO, he said the arrangement is in two folds. If the person or money no edily oil company no and our country no say if he's not interested in the gold they look for a broker who will transfer the gold into cash and deal with them. So Bank of Ghana there or the gold in Echo, the broker will rather change the gold into dollars and purchase the product for them.
And is the Bank of Ghana not involved in what is stopping the small scale miners from doing? And you know be no so akwa no. Because o se me yan export gold. Yan fa gold ni nyaan brew. Na fa gold no kwaje oil bre. O de okoya o ji gold na o de akwa koton ama obi e na dipa kori di sika ma o ma o de kotia oil neka. E na ke yan so ye koton ye e na ye dollars ni buy e na BDCs ni ba ji ye de koton gold na. Is it not the same thing? So you see every available opportunity is for a chance for somebody to steal. Because when any country to country, it is an individual oil company or Dubai.
UAE.
Yes, or UAE.
The government.
The government of Dubai and any yes adiano. Intino, so almost say almost sikane tuya. And no crown is say asam. Bank of Ghana, the ben obey than BDC or oil. Say energy ministry na koto ya. Why the man of Kwan or parliament say energy ministry tam Ghana for sika na fa koto oil. The ben energy ministry better than BDC. Better than a competitor in buying oil. Inside no flip it or toss it or mabumraso. So now they have to find a way and in the brofu baby. Because Bank of Ghana and a DG gold no and the one for gold non-comma oil company no straight Angie oil ambre no mom or cotton gold no ma obi and o GC carry comma oil company now we boom ranoso. Bank of Ghana is not supposed to be involved in this kind of businesses.
International transaction 1992 constitution demand say they should go to parliament.
Yes. And
I say even if it is done out of expediency, it should go for ratification.
That is it.
We know who say Bank of Ghana, they have a mandate to deal in gold for Ghana.
Yes.
And if they've taken that initiative, where do they fall short?
They fall short in the sense say one, competitive advantage. Two, emasculating competitors and involving in businesses that are mandated to involve in,
which is BDC.
Yes. Say Bank of Ghana EGG ye gold no kwa no de koye eco pay dollars be good Bank of Ghana ma your reserves ma nobody has a problem. But say oji yen ye good oji gold ni wie ya odi akoton ama obi agi sika no e de akwakotua oil ka nye dollar na wo say wo prevent say ye be shortage of na was akoye wo ho. Is it not the same thing you are saying we preventing our oil no? And then the worst of it is say since when and a central bank has started to store oil, even Bust is not allowed to do. A friend say to go and be competing with these BDCs. They only do storage. GMPC and Castle Quacoto oil. Energy Ministry na mukura embram man kwan say onkonkoto oil. Goil na timi koto oil. No akosto or Bust amaye. Inti nhwehwe animu a Bank of Ghana ne Finance Ministry omu ye asechire ne sen. Eno so beto mu da ben.
Omu pe oil amai ho atwe.
Kro no no mu pa bo mahene a. Aban we otimi ka cho se koda dem within 3 weeks upie ya o say must spend 540 billion e wo tujumi ne kpala ho. Aban we ka cho se okofa oil abra wa ugini di.
Tujumi ne dai.
Kpala. Ekrom ha ya o. Enye kumasi nyina kra no mu fidi ye o. Nipa kakra bi yedua sebi yenuanum siremfo ya omo beka sinsem a omo ntimi anko omo krom kaya yufo kakra yi o a omo nduru 10,000 kra no yesi 10,000 kra dese mama ne bebre dodo omo nduru 1,000 kra mpo yesi 540 choppable billion OCDs to jimi keke ne kpala.
But they were dry foods by beans
eno no ko hen
gari. Oh, they distribute.
Na no nyefi ha no minu e ka say ye de ma chema MPP women organizers. Ye chichema MPP fo. Omahene. Ade na ye kan sa bokoboko no. Ehu. Government has no business doing business. Onyi ne nsem free. O de opa ko pay dollar no gu ho. My BDCs. Me kura me there. What I was thinking is say in country to country, and I say BDCs to BDCs. Okay, UAE, ye ba be fa oil or hwa. Instead of send car, ye be $1 every ha bremo no. Aden amon ti ase say company no UAE ho na ye mano in dirhams. Oti ase. So that when we get there, the transaction can be done easily. Instead of say over $1 akwa sesan into asada command or honum no. Who kofa UAE pay in dirhams. Who kofa Russia, they say Russia cry they say obi anfa dollar in si hobi. So and Abia Amsterdam euro near the bekwa, then we look at it. And most of these BDCs crown LCs nobody
letters of credit.
Oh, so many bi wo ha yen ka no krenche Ghana for kakra. Say ade no ayebasa o. Si ye kwa yanimu, si ye ba ye chi we don't even know.
All right, hold it there for me. Call it. Honorable, Mami Cheo.
Yeah, mencha obi. Na mencha mini anu mo efija kwa bre enough. Na
your employers.
My employers. Me madam for Mr. Joseph Esiedu. And we na me no ti baby. Ichiano. Na Omanhene and no pay me buy na mo di MPP hu nkomo na mo di MPs ni bi eto line so na let me say me MP am wa here it's just appropriate say I'm responding to some of the issues.
No problem.
Odo to do MP no me pa me ba parliament offer me the ba prekope
ta no be frɛ wo.
yes na me no health committee.
Okay.
And sana me fi health ako different committee. Me need the constituency. But from what I see our parliament and in the Juma way of parliament, I believe strongly say I'm not surprised. Say call for a man an opportunity to be there for the 4th time.
Oh, 4th time.
I'm not surprised.
So 5th time.
I'm not surprised. Say call for continuously.
A man of
that opportunity. You would not like Nyoma oil.
Okay.
But I believe very strongly, say there's a reason why
Omoto Abamano.
Abamano all the time. Me know, cause I think so. No chair, the local.
Yeah, local government. So last mube be
committee or parliament.
Be judges no crown
to chair a committee. Don't forget, say in the previous 7th parliament, no a chair of the energy committee. Sabi parliament no be keke.
So wait my board of parliament. So now you 2 on persuasion.
Walk off 5 times. You be 2 not here to do. It's in the Juma and Sonia. I'm sure some can call from they've shown him the exit. It's no many bema not here, many nyadri. Say to be MP no on your share. So be me constituency if Jacob. And you be beer na my area. It's weird then obi pet imagine baby aka so honorable pan we there on your share. Some will say it. But what is important is that the majority of the people understand say abbreviate na yamfanamko. So that is where I want to situate my argument.
No problem.
Any paboni sem na yen.
Oh man in Canada
20 years. Sana kwa Britain ka how.
Fija kwa bring off. Empineti ha.
First time they were here we from page akobu.
Enu asusu yanti asem there. You know the overlord of the Gonja land.
Yeah.
Tuntumba.
Yes, Enra and Oko Nikrechi. That is a big one.
Yeah.
Oko Northern Regional. This is a huge news.
Yeah.
It's in the condolences to Gonja brothers. I'm for me Gonja for my very good friend Kafao and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and Gonja Frunina. Condolences to them. Omanhene, was last time by me say MPP woman organizers near chair in the mouth. Salam kai.
Na coming can say.
I wanna not refer to you. Oh, sir.
Yeah, bahani arguments. I no say aduane no mo no aye no. Enki emfama NDC for. And I'm say how? Enti yanche am MPP for say MP for ngwan ngodi. I was saying said the preparation of the food MPP for say o ma bet man aduane. So what is wrong?
Enti enyam from so. I think I remember you said enti emfama NDC for. Okay.
It's just MPP for no aduane. What is the big deal about it? Na uni opposition communication the papa.
Uti come here.
40,000 tons, 400 million tons. The kind of side just to confuse everybody. And if you opposition communication and the papa, all you do is to pitch the people
against the government.
What's that here? 400. And Bank of Ghana, and the oil. He simply does not understand the whole transaction. How the the Bank of Ghana for oil? Who told you that? Who told you the Bank of Ghana for oil? Simple process. Bank of Ghana is just providing liquidity to PMMC.
Yeah.
That's all. No, but Bank of Ghana for oil. Bank of Ghana, BDC, there's no oil transaction. Everything that has to do with the banking system, Bank of Ghana is involved. So what are we talking about? Bank of Ghana for providing liquidity to PMMC. PMMC akoto gold from artisans for her. Boss is leading this whole transaction. Or say boss ain't even cry oil. How na get your NDC time boss and cry oil?
Crude.
When
there was a measure
bulk oil storage,
when there was a measure with Tor, they brought in crude to refine at Tor. Omonkra oil.
Okay.
So they are able to do transactions which we fat oil back.
That's right.
What the boss already want to say?
Story.
It's a strategic reserve.
Yeah.
And you know, boss nearly did this transaction. Bank of Ghana call UAE some oil. That's what the Bank of Ghana for oil. Bank of Ghana for oil. Meaning, what is the essence of this whole gold for oil transaction?
Okay.
What's the essence? Every month, Ghana, previously here $200 million. Every month. Bank of Ghana, so making sure some more $200 million.
To give to AMCs.
To go BDCs, no.
About distribution.
To go and buy. Now, say because of the prices into $400 million.
$400 million.
So $400 million
every month.
Every month.
San yenya oil abaka.
And san na when you scale yakokra. Ghana mpacho yenye transactions in dollars. So what it means is as a Bank of Ghana, finding ways of getting the dollar. And the pressure to yesika so no.
We are told they're able to provide just about 100 to 150
That is the point
million.
I'm making. So the idea of this whole transaction is instead of every month be a young couple 400 million, no, and we can't get that 400 million cash every month, no. We have a commodity like gold. Your gold. We can buy the gold with cedis from artisans. For gold ninko the market. The first transaction we went to the market. Baby a call almost be a commodity section.
That's right.
Unfortunately, no commodity section, they don't deal in gold. Then they told us go back to that market. Your intermediaries who are interested in buying brokers. The gold. So they bought the gold, got the dollar cash, and paid for the oil. And then what it means is to say yanko dollar to say that they be it is easing the pressure. This is the whole transaction.
And it's a good deal.
It's a fantastic deal. I think what they did is just $40 million worth of it. And then impact on the market, because apparently you need close to about 370,000 metric tons. Go Energy, go for they do 20% of it. The other 80%, it says other BDCs never. It's this first transaction, I think year program, so you have to test it.
Pilots to see.
Thank you. The Akofa buy this is the Akofa buy you. And the Ama go Energy for the Ama go. That is why gold prices move from 15.90 to 15.25. That is the impact. The whole idea is by March, at least you bet to make 50% of that transaction. Not just a BDC is not only going to bring in 50%. What does that translate into? So when you have 400 million, now you just need 50%. Now you need just $200 million.
To ease pressure on
pressure. This is the whole transaction. Transaction in any transaction. Okay, this is a transaction. A Bank of Ghana, Onkoto gold, Onkoto oil. That is not their core mandate. That is why Omaduman said they provided liquidity
to pay PMMC.
That's all. That's all. Say no impact no, but when they push the value no to about half, what now be who? Because MPA now will tell you say there we here just 200 million. Till the amount they abano, any they are buying the abano. Let's weighted average.
Niente so. Where slogan here men no come say. I don't know. You see, sometimes NDC for Metro some of the things they simply don't understand it. I say free SHS. They just couldn't believe, say, only pay matter as a Ghana from Kuala school. They just didn't believe in it. And they find it difficult to understand the process. Transaction, and it's very simple. What about the issue of former president say buy from Somon Fanko Parliament
then
for ratification?
Boss, Ekoto oil about Parliament.
Or say international transaction.
Me say boss. And you have Ghana buying a Wagoto oil. It is boss. Me patch all my time on the boss got oil about Parliament.
There be.
So what is he talking about? And yes, Ghana buying Aqua Saudi Arabia. And then government to government transaction. I call international in nature chamber Parliament.
Company to company.
That's what I'm saying, that they understand the problem. And so I go to some across Saudi Arabia, Saudi King, Nigeria. That's not a transaction. In the Parliament, no, because in family Parliament, in family Parliament, the Ben now go energy ne boss. Omuko, you got talk no maba, Omaba Parliament for approval. When has that happened before? And that's why they be about me catch us NDC for. Problem is they've been in government before. Until Dombe can be will put it to strict proof. That Ben a boss Ekoto crude Abba Abba Parliament say no money transaction for approval. Simple transactions. No my why mini abetra ona hey and na buy enya entiase no entiase etifu say ni Bank of Ghana nkoto oil wo baby all they did was to provide liquidity. There are two ways. Sometimes wait my lucky ubako baby akwakoto oil no commodity section they already need the gold. It's an about straight butter.
You don't need any broker.
You don't. You don't. And at the bank, I buy BDC adjuma. Who told you say Yashati BDC for adjuma? Government is only telling you say minia 400 million at the biamu. I can't get it every month for you. However, I mean gold. Minia gold. Obuja say it's sustainable. It is more than sustainable. The quantity of gold that you want, it is more than sustainable.
Is it readily available?
It is.
Buying a bit the quantum all the time.
All the time, they'll get it. Gold, they'll get it. When the amount of gold they fit Ghana all the time, even through smuggling. First, no more withholding tax 10%. Because of that, a lot of them were smuggling it. What can I say? Or something more can say, so call Dubai. Records away your books
about 6 billion.
What we encounter
and so not 2 billion penny.
Yes, they are buying with the correct pricing or shutting that door to that smuggling because there's ready market for you. To go, you go, we are buying some metal at the correct market price. However, metal in cities because I don't have the dollar just to ease the pressure. It's mess Ghana for Obienyan to say this is just a first transaction.
Okay.
Just $40 million worth of it. And now, MPA for release on Media Banner, they anticipate even by March, we should be doing 50% of the monthly targets, which is about $200 million worth of gold. You bet me, Akofa, and your money be aba. It's a mess, Obienyan to was here. The effect we are seeing, no, it's an indication that something is happening. Something is happening. Se see ane de onye omu nyina na nya 40 million na buy be. So the price will be the same. Will not be like gold. That's why intina gold nko apo na 1525. But if you obeko shell when you this particular
1590.
transaction it's about 1590. But as time goes on, if you are able to provide 50%, only option because of our top 50% nibi, it's a man the price number for. Yenyan to was buy. There's nothing fishy about the transaction. Say me can and before there be beyond person into me accounting. Simple way accounting man. Where even 1100 accounting students bit me. Simple. It won't to was here. And no ya know the auditor generals in other firm no bobo figures, they get excited when they read the auditor general's report. Auditor general's report. Me phone you so. Me wo Auditor General's report from 2010. Auditor General's report. You can see about the Auditor General extra one day you move kaka. And I say Ghana and you be them. Auditor General's report ben na ba. Yen can so be the dream. Conversation the person minimum having say I didn't know all these years. Yen timi nya action. The corporate yen timi punish you be no be who say yes, it is working. That is a conversation you say having. Now say I can say Auditor General's report I trust say 80 million be that's just like that. And every Auditor General's report be it can be about
infractions.
There are infractions. And that is why Auditor General's job it doesn't end just by the report.
A co-parliament.
But parliament, not public accounts. Public accounts no me must check so many times. Even at the sitting, some of the issues are clarified. Over there.
Yeah.
Sure, Auditor General's report here, bear. Almost like to vaccine 80 million something. Now, just a portion be now. And I started laughing. Do you know, sir, just 2 weeks ago, 1 million vaccines by Ghana under the same program?
Yeah.
But at the time, I know almost yes, our auditors report to me.
Never mind.
Never mind. So in your report, Uber say, I buy a cotia vaccine in my, but just 2 weeks ago, vaccine be buy under the same
1 million.
1 million
From US.
From US. Now the time I'm covered by and one cotia says you are out of the market. So making that payment. Vaccine so expiring date. So as and when you are using it, no, now request it. We no about or now that better. And on your last press conference, just because they've mentioned somebody's name in the auditor did report. No my press conference in Pamano.
There's a cover time. Mukusika HD
151,000.
Aye, HD.
So much nefie.
Into much is candy.
So what do? Give the person an opportunity.
2 years. Went me answer.
At park. Independent kasa. Now 2010, all the time they not support nearby any day. Only the moment you got a chance to answer. Take your time. BBNC, this good for all your transaction. No, I'm not surprised. Miniano on TS and this from Montias here because this is the first time. When you say MPP, there's novelty. You know, be see that.
Sino Hydro. Any Sino Hydro.
Of course. What has happened to Sino Hydro?
Any aluminium now they call it.
Oh,
Saba.
Sino Hydro. And you know,
Saba. Sino Hydro 10 billion naba. And I'm just say 10 billion naba.
Well, if you don't understand something, just take your time. God for all your way. BBNC. This is just a first transaction. As time goes on.
So it's something Ghanaians should expect.
Expect more. And I make us say even the effect local girls is here. It's reflected.
That's true.
Yes, it is reflected. We can be doing half of the total demand through a gold transaction. So the buyer $400 million now DBS Kofano. Yankofa.
All right. Mami 1 minute me ba isi a.
Okay.
Na nyame ya adoma Valentine ba. Na ba say di anene adofo atiesi town. Ne kroma ye de. Na Sapphire Gardens etu anamon bi a chese. Almost the same ama adofo etimi enya the opportunity to have their wives and their akodonkwes and all that. Na ansise no ye say all said that Akedi Abia on our board on you. Be Magoma kiss a paper, send your deal with the paper, send ye, see a me day, on dominas, and I don't know. Soon pay, now Honami Yemre, or Domani Jibia, or no soon a ball fatia fatan croma. Just it is hate upon hate. Now Yami Adoma, a singles, 50 Ghana cities. And a single year 30 and a couple year 50. Now a bus was Sapphire Gardens at Asamanso Kumasi 14th February 7 p.m. pepe na be gate. Na okwa band and kasa jiremua a live band wenye maimin bia. Eti dada kedi noa in concert na enye easy. Obo hu nyum. Enyum be na dada kedi nyuma aye ode. Shanin Sompa. Minim se 14th ni ba bidru a Sapphire Gardens mema ya ye show sonko kra wa hadomo oba na otimi $2 kedi nyum na na ama ticket a wona odofo ebeba enye easy kra. It's happening live. I mean on Val's Day for odofo BP kakra atre fie sa what di bankuni fufuo sa have a taste and change the things. It is happening live 14th it was Sapphire Gardens at Asamanso TCC ho. Integrity Keepers and Montessori School, Annie, crèche, kindergarten, primary, and a JHS. Now, your traditional day as extracurricular activity, professional day, table etiquette, color day, sporting activities are hold up. And Kolano call Integrity Keepers, IKSR, Omo Enya schools, meet to say Wesley Girls in your high school, Cape Coast, St. Louis, St. Monica's, Prempe, just a mammy, Monfa Casting, come on, I'm just school, Papa. Now, Bobo school now, just a young secondary school, who person say. Presec, Caho, Prempe, and he said, oh, we are daddy.
Hey,
We are daddy.
oh,
now Zara. Oh, your daddy. Oh,
strong or daddy.
Phone cram do my microphone. Okay. Eti mama de answer odo babe ko honomo. Esu eboa north. Nyanchara nyanse kwan so. Samson our next near Brema UGC last stop opposite to Kes. That there four guys. So we say mo. Enye wow. Eh school na.
School no.
0547 107 443. 0547 107 443.
0553 408 898. Fawbako Integrity Keepers. Yes, say motto no a divine. Power Specialist Herbal Clinic. Hepatitis if ye now kwa na wajan ho na akọ. Akosi adua ya doctor wa kwadre mu papa. Arthritis, gonorrhea, syphilis, akote ya de bi, ulcer, hernia, compo and abesho kon ye nyima kidney problems in yinada. Kumasi anomo fe yase leg bosomtwe kwan so ye ne just bro filling station. Edi nhwanimu. Enkan kwa benya pokwasi ACP main road. And attack rally so Anaji Estate, any Anaji MA Primary School di anymore. Ya the Heberton Herbal Mr. Bejaso, a immune system booster. Kajiri. Bema si kwanswa or call on Nanechi on top form the whole day. It's a male vitality for you. A dry herbal malamix to malaria and general bodily pains. And a cough care herbal Mr. If it was stroke all upper respiratory problems biano chest cough be ye fewer edwa herbal tonic memo TBD Freya 024 454 4422 024 454 4422 and 020 038 3831 Silent Night Guest House and Event Center Open Mutu Papa Weekend D person koda baby juju for your honeymoon for your special occasion bed with breakfast serene environment. You enjoy live band during the weekend, assorted drinks and food all the time. Fresh 054 094 2916 054 094 2916 IPT Container Police Station Aperitivo non-alcoholic bitter Nunum B na enye unipeduemo juma every Italy and a buy na oyo bia o say mintimidi dia but it be di kama yeah the herbs spices and a fruit and aye 0246 270221 we a supermarket we a shop now pebia to dosopoa 0246 270221 afa mizo and 5G ai yenya outlets bebra obetimi akoto bi ohono kama mama bobo nkyerɛ wo ntentem na bibia nkoso mama Esther supermarket ewa Boakye near Baptist University Abawa supermarket or magazine post office Blay Enterprise Asinfosu Habitat big time distributor no Winnie Baba Nkasima Asinfosu ne Twefu Praso nyina monko fe ubetima friend 055 830 0306 055 8300306 Sister Queer Free in Susu Magazine Post Office so the number near 024 273 7287 024 273 7287 and now bet my ba Sompa DC house ya baby we are first floor honomo no aba busa Boakye na wajibi kama okay Fuzeni, Mami, a quick reaction, but
I feel that's what I must.
And everybody sees there's a more meeting with Cocos.
Yes.
I said, me, Kuya, Cocos, baby.
Oh, Omanhene. Once na make a choice, make us me now pushing me. We are about Sanko Ajiwa from himself.
Where?
Collins.
Oh, man, what dead to the extent say, hey, Obejine this is here.
David Asoro can him.
David him. Asem o church mu a said that kofa on ni sugar dey fofa about we person can correct the Ghana for say liquidity no provided no person price back for ma the largest importer of oil wine enya go on the timidi about 20% alone edeba all the shell ni hwan hwan nyina no timi da
no but PMMC is mandated to deal in gold
problem
gold cannot deal in gold
good until what stops a buying say okay sadia instead of gold be kwaje dollars e dey compare me the gold ne ma gold kwaje oil na bra
gold cannot go to the international market with gold
how
PMMC
no na me say abanya
government mandates PMMC to do that
and I me say we are mokofa buy they distributed.
That's right. That's right.
So buying person affecting price control. You use government agencies to reduce all price. All the others will follow. That is why STC no when that was the plan. It is a individual private owners in person when you price no man. Now buying need so. It is a buying per se or control price now. Who got ni nyina ba. Enya wo company na o de ma no
Why do you distribute it to others? And I make around him say, Puma on your private. Into the common Puma side. Not that I'm advertising for somebody, but if government's plan is say consciously or per se or control price, well, which is government's agency, no, our government was shares room, no, our also the leading, one of the leading BDCs in the country, no, other than yen share or no money in lead deal with. Ne akwako di boss, na akwako for PMMC, na akwako na Bank of Ghana providing liquidity, and PMMC omuntu go to dada. Good. The mandated license institution. Go and look at the queue there. Conform pay good at all munyebi. Oh, PMMC. You see, this whole thing I say, I feel all the major gold producing companies ni kasase odie anya kra omo 20% bi den ka omo ton my aban. Can you force them to do it? Oh, the gold is readily available. Ugo jina mines ono say wanya bia we ndai. Wo hu say o pese usisi no.
But he's giving the correct pricing. And definitely you will sell.
My children also say some of the gold producers no, they are pre-financed.
Okay.
Contracts only nipa sign contract say me go to me assure say menya say or the nisika brand so for 2
yeah, he's the first option.
That is it. O say ba umi akoye hwehwe ni mo say me the gold kotoye nti brabeje. Ukura ka de be ma no. Ene ye na individual bondholders anwen o mo si. You see they jump the gun. They always put the cart before the horse. Then when they come they use English to try to explain their mistakes. But see we are in parliament. Fine. Parliament say be resume. Yes, say be ho asem be ba na asem. Adenti na minister ni dimrika e ba be chirim say afi de nye gold ne de kotoye, ye di sika na kotoye. He saw a danger coming. Otherwise he wouldn't have bothered. Say ba umi say oil for gold na ba. E na obi e tunyu friend obi e bo ne nsem ma no. E ba ne sen na prekope. E be da ne say o da bi. Mr. Mo nye gold ne de kotoye. Ye di sika mom na kotoye.
But they've explained that they needed a broker.
I'm saying
Because
in the beginning,
of the commodity
did
market.
they tell you said there was going to be a broker?
No,
In the beginning, did they tell you there was a commodity? We have spoken to oil companies. We have even spoken to countries. Omaye ready say, "Yamfa gold in beje oil. Ye the gold ne kojaba. Ebedru ya. Sorry, you ko enro si yenko commodity market. And you could do commodity market ona. Omo say omo nji gold. Na jisi ye ko bi manito ye gold no. Brofu keke. Azara kuchum. Brofu keke ye di be chire nsem keke ye di sika na wienti ye be chirem.
But at the end of the day, if this thing is affected,
oh, when I say yeah, me top petrol ni bi o. And now ehuri ko do 50.
But obviously say anadwoma na sem ana emu na ho.
Me na me say we can liquidity support for Goel. Goel can lead this thing seamlessly. What am I say? Okay, instead of say obeso sika e da kope oil no, PMMC is coming in. Say or support it or partner with Goel. Instead of say Goel and Kwababa Tambe say almost 20 million every month or $50 million every month. They are Goel and Kwade and then they start here. If it works, other BDCs will join.
All right, Mami Tio, above exactly 9:20, I'm in a grace gift version. Come on, Mami Tio, now wrap it up.
I'm kind of want to say. But yeah, me that they say. Among for more share and no more muti, they have superior knowledge. It don't be to me a decided between you and me. Your kind of credit will judge for. As a a simple transaction. Simple, I feel the double one tias still that some numbers on tias. This is a novelty. A banya idea about a basso, a boniaka. A yard yaka. I feel you also yanni a go off 1 point and daily. Which means you appreciate the whole concept. No? You appreciate it. But my baso, major propaganda, they be propaganda. Or say, oh, girl and cat, say them casa. Because I say simple. Communicate. One of the most Adea Akye Abia tries to defend the truth.
When you're defending
the truth,
you're so strong.
Defending the truth. I'm come to defend myself. Oh, simple, cry. And the way I make Casano say, make us smoothly to take the girl. And you say make us to the girl. I am just defending the truth.
That's now cry on one mood.
I am just defending the truth.
Say you know we had that.
So we defend the truth. Oh, and you're and you know something, Omanhene?
Yes.
Typical of the NDC communication. Typical. Dr. Baumia and Memoir.
Ah, no, you so yeah. So now. Ah, but he said he was the one doing the thing.
O say Dr. Baumia.
Mo fa ne mra ne twemo.
Just say, Omanhene say me nua no mi. Omo kasa no ma Dr. Baumia dia.
No so yeah.
Mo to mo da.
Debio, is he not the one who said he's championing it?
Dr. Baumia.
Apaska ntino mu yina free ho.
Adea wo see emfa go and try na Apaska.
Ah, na sa de na
concept went man nwene ho.
Ye di gold kwaji oyel aba. Afa mi koduru ya mse dabi o gold ni ye de koya mse omo nyinti ye de koma obi ato ansa ya jiska ya na juma na semwe. Eh, sana mo ka kire Ghana fo.
Na to ba say e be kire kire mu.
No kire ho.
Okay.
Dr. Baumia there. Say you acquire the Achilles heels.
The Achilles heels of
for the MPP.
NDC.
For the MPP.
Oh, no one NDC communicator wakasa omo Dr. Baumia dida.
Last time is the vice president probably.
Last time we call one TV station, we say call viral. And I said, sir, take it or leave it. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, he has skillfully, very intelligently, in a mastery manner,
changed the discourse.
Just less than 15, 17 years. He has occupied 70 to 80% of all political communication. It's a fact. There's no way whether bad or good. And he has done so with some mastery. Dr. Baumia, political intellectual discussion. He brought it up political.
That's a fact.
That's a fact. He's the first person ultimately classroom economics. Ultimately presentation. Oh,
classroom presentation.
Me say he has changed the discourse. First,
from insults, acrimonies.
No, insults.
What they do that? It can first can be NDC. But we are discussing an intellectual topic. Oh, why? Because one man
change the discourse
within a space of 16 years. He's occupying your spaces. It's no means I will Dr. Baumia. They say no, your body dia enyanwa. You don't get the point I'm making. Enyanwa, because it is always anticipated that his name will be mentioned. And exactly that. And I mean, yeah, not Dr. Baumia, every day, Dr. Baumia. And I keep saying, there's a reason for that.
And what's the reason?
There's a reason why his name is always mentioned. There is a reason.
In the NDC.
In the NDC, on a Sompa, Opa, piece of good for you, Dr. Baumia. Adult TV, good for you, Dr. Baumia. Joy, good for you, Dr. Baumia. TV3, good for you, Dr. Baumia. Hey, go every major radio or TV station and pay Metro TV, good for you, Dr. Baumia. That is how he has couched himself in our political space.
Is it something he strategically did?
He skillfully did it, intelligently. And then what bonidi? See, I'm coming.
I'll go for it.
And why not the buy? Thank you. You can't do anything about it. And you know, his urban in India, we don't have a problem. Say you're good or say you're bad. Political communication, there's nothing like bad publicity. Hey, and this woman, Dr. Baumia, is too popular.
You sure?
Me see, he's been in the space for less than 15 years. He came just 2007.
Yeah.
From 2007, 2008 election till date, Dr. Baumia, there's no single week, not a single day. I want to Dr. Baumia do a radio show.
Whether good or bad.
Whether good or bad. Or your presentation, the whole week, as we be discussing here, Dr. Baumia's presentation. Or can send back the whole week, Dr. Baumia.
What is it telling the MPP?
It's not. I'm not saying it's what it's telling. It's telling that your product.
The MPP, you have a product.
And then you have one in you what in here. They make count Jana. They what in here. You bet I want to about Obi Fufudi.
So a vice president.
You see the only vice president Abakuma. We've had so many vice presidents in Ghana.
Yawo Aka, yawo.
Me say that me say.
Mills, yawo Aliu Mahama.
Me say vice president Ben Pan Yabonidi. Is there any other either? It's no. I'm not surprised. It's already the meaning I to was here. You better check room. You better check room.
All right,
intellectual discussion.
Mama Famusia. Thanks so much. We wish you all the best in there when you resume. Now, Monkoya ne Pama, Monkoya Kubia so ho. MPP.
Your leadership intact.
Okay.
Intact.
Okay, Madam must say. All right, Grace. Dr. Grace Boadu ewa hanomo yene na twetwe nkomo na ya hwe bibia obapa betena se mame na afei de bia mama nya asem wo fie hawo wo fe na want to say
oyi adom onyankon pa dom oyi edom mu oyi papa na se ade no kure durbre bia eyamamere eseso busanya sanka ohwe maami odi machi pa na obusamsam hote sei ohonye kure beye
anu de moamom
bakade kuma sejom ye
asen kwa de se de chese niam asa shisha no
so no
things are looking things for ebi asi yefa bi ato chai ebi mu di ayi
spoke
ebi mu num koko na ebi mu su di bangu
koko no house ade no ana
awu kra de e fie de no pampa no a okay oba partner to say
me je so e fi na mafio I feel too much.
Now, okay, so they have been but I also could take
and I'm bang on Kumade. And bang on Kumade crabby. It's even more for the number not to drive.
Of our number, so Gabby, now what to say? You be get this way. Full house, pa. So the other pa. Okay, of our numbers on the
numbers, ya may be as a semi feminine street. Yes, I may confuse. And they say, Glace gave it her back renature, and ne it will pay moon one cast out twa Sompa after 4 and yet year 4. Mr. Remo, Ubrune say, lend me your years.
I've learned your my year.
More from us on family, and I give it to be a year. My me Gracie Wood dua, Medina Befidi is way, or no one casan pessima norma. Me no, Anna, it didn't can me de mamma. Salo 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
cello
00
tele cello
30
cello 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
cello
00
tele cello
30
ana cello 244
0244
126
126
12 tele
123
cello 244
0244
126
126
12 tele
123
na mo amoko nu atwemota petroleum no onso mo mfere we so
that's right
cello 246
0246
518
518
cello tele
003
cello 246
0246
518 cello tele
003
that's what I'm saying.
Okay Obaba meaning komo
But I see the brain and coupon shroud. Na no pay dear medenchia can see ebe ma Sompa FM ne Sompa TV etie for ni ahwefo nyina nyame shramu sadane de nyina moti sa Dr. Grace Board make asa obi ya de je obi kura na yere da obejai because her grace aba I was say osua bibi na me hyamu me sra mo ma muguru so de bronya ade ne ban ados nti me sra o se bronya ade no de bi ba farma obi a na ho kire ne kakra wo ompatem why grace gifted de ye da masi bebre na o man me pese na me ni matie fosua ade kakra entititi no ya ma mati bibi se aduaba bi wo ho obu onu man na nati man be se keke no wa mena to ne yam na nipa na nya be 150 160 years se obi wu a no wa friend na ne ba odo not na kodem na wa fi na service na wa men for so many years no aba beto form no wa catch na ne se omene o man enipa bi dwene sa de ne de
na ye te ho asem ba ka se nyankoma de
unim dia obonsam ye na yesua nature studies o school so it's na you busa akra bia say what is nature na wo munim ade a nature eye obonsam sha say wo be hwe na wase ye pe ene yi nature syllabus previous studies enti ene edin pa say akra beje di say herbal medicine ye adwuma enti na mba bia ma je kitwa bia ma nipa hu ade na yensua de bi o yenkokotation nim say Sompa de Christopher Wahapa. Second Kings, verse 20 to 7. Second Kings. 20 to 7.
20 to 7.
Very good. Say you can't na manfo hu na wo mo di ajra no.
Verse number 20.
20 to 7.
In the days was Ezekiel sick. Nanu mu na Ezekiel yare wiade. Na Amos ba odi for Isaiah ba ne nkyɛn be ka kyerɛ no sɛ Awurade sie nie hyɛ wo fie nsamanseɛ na ɔrebewu na wonya nkwa ɛna Ezekiel dane n'ani kyerɛ ɔfasuo na ɔbɔ Awurade mpaeɛ Awurade kae sɛnea menante w'anim nokorɛ ne akoma a ɛpɛ mu na mayɛ deɛ ɛwɔ w'ani soɔ nyinaa na Ezekiel su kɛseɛ na Yezia enya mfiri mfinfin aban mu no mpo Awurade asɛmba ne nkyɛn sɛ san kɔ ka kyerɛ Ezekiel me ma no san kɔ ka kyerɛ Ezekiel me ma nso hwɛfoɔ no sɛ Awurade a ogya David Nyankopɔn sie nie mate wo mpa ebo mahunu wo ne suo hwɛ me na mɛsa wo yadeɛ ɛda ɛtɔ so miɛnsa no Obafra kwa Awurade fie ensia na me de mfrinsia dunum beto wo maso wo naso na megye wo ni kro yi afri asra ahene nsem na mabɔ kro yi ho ban miara ne makoa David nti na Isaiah se momfa brodoma wabɔ no etomra na momfa ntade mpompo no so na onyankwa
say oman abra Isaiah ka kire no kra se Nyankopon so wonfa onsa na yare no wonsa na Ezekiel pese ohunu se ayampa sa wo se onsa na yare etidie ba de na wo de ba besam yare Nyankopon ma ni hu sa omfa brodoma ahahan mini na Isaiah wo ye prophet 1 Brother man no mesre wiaseman se emfiri wiase o Brother man no is still there just say quotation we say so Matthew 21 verse 19 to 12
Matthew
21 19 to 12
Matthew 21
Yeah, Musa, yeah, okay, kind of tree castle. Yes, I can be Masoichi.
Matthew 21 19
to 12
19 to 20 Now hunu brodo ma bi kwan so no okọ ho na wan hunu hwe wo so se ahahan kwara na so no se won so aba bie arada na amunumu ho no ano brodo ma no pai asuafo no epoye na asuafo no hunu ye no ye wonwanwa na o ka se e den na amunumu yara kra brodo ma yi apoyi
me da wasi bebre so wate wo Nyankopon na ne hu dua na se suo no ne dua no enso aba aka kese and wo kese dua no because I was say ahaban me so ema wo mo ya rebiti nya important benefit ye dey every so but na o mu nya eti nyankopon kese se dua no mesramu sa brodo ma han every wiase ana
oh
sa brodo ma han na onyankopon kire se esa ya re mpempem no a ye mfa nsa ya re no me bisa bie wo se eni wiase ana na me no mienu tenase na se Dr. Grace me tenase na se me hu se brodo ma han ekuta potassium brodo ma han ekuta magnesium brodo ma han ekuta phosphorus na se me simetimi dia sa ya re bi se ya wa wo tenchen no obeka se entimi because nim dia wo ni enti wajra but me Dr. Grace but betimi me say me bo say me no beto nche because me nim ye e wo sa aduanim sra Ghana for hwe se yam ye ninti me da na me hwe ade bi me say e wo mu a wo ye nipa wo de medical doctor bi a wa pensioner when 65 years sheda tom one bag because so daddy come back besra wo da wo hospital na metai e ba ma wo hwe me na wako na akwa medical doctor na ono na ohwe wo no hwe se na ni hu ade ya okwa hwe ne ho wo so o sha say Parkinson's disease and I'm asking this question so there's how medical doctor na edro bi na obeti mi ata no mana wo be ko no wa hwe na poma kwa dey ekura na osom na also e ho na wo se youth ni timi kasa na papa we sua ade kwa akiri bo masters ebo ni degree ebo professor but so ontimi nya dro bi ama Parkinson and stop there enye se me dem hu to say ni pa so young nurses quarters me twini pa adwa kwade so because of being a nurse before it's me pa kan ade me American so obi ye nurse ni a school na yakono de ehia ne say monthly pay na ye adwene ho enipa ka crab na adwene nipa apomden ho it is a nurse ni de ono it OPD a oba vitals no ateki odo akoma doctor so ngo pani ode ama doctor so mo do ode ama no ni maduro ni side effects it wo hypertension na wo no jama wo nro ene mi busa amanfo say nro na onom no na wonya no maduro me pa to se na otimi no bada wonya no maduro na eyesight na ye good kakra wonya no maduro na won kono na no maduro pressure na ba 128 na so ni padua no ewu yes just some shit herbal medicine any Dr. Grace was say it's not about say Brad Grace give chinchai but person ma hu say sua de ye sua nature ni hu say yankopon edoye of the last number na to jana me central ne kakro
okay of numbers no to jana
numbers ni bio
tie central no
ye free hanso a ye ko ohwim sukun kwantana no so
straight away
asupiti no ana asante hema bebi ye no
bonamba no yenko
ayo cello 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
cello
00
tele cello
30
cello 54 tele 2 cello tele cello ana cello 242 72 52 74 cello 242
0242
72 52 74 that's what I'm saying.
All right, yeah, doctor quickly now. Say Adea Akye Abia.
Asamba say chere me da o me mu mpanfo ase na na otumfo say to abebi otosu no na nyame nhira na asante hima medical doctors nurses obi biara nyame nhira mo wate e na afi so hu say me ho ayefe pa dia na eye very man makeups artistry mo pa cha o friend number na ye be tete no onsa na ye tai ya de bo mo say ye be magic yetim di nipa krat wo na ye hwe no mu mienu bensa na wo twe na amanfo okoda ni mu kosu
na friend crofasa
crofasa go say any day some be na nipa na sorry sa ye mani na da so wo honom iti da bia metai true challenge say sofu nim dubna ne ahapan me and is the truth nyan ba next video say me ba na week mo ma me one day because topic am dey bare bit and no kara mama me yen fact so me ma wasade we me kakra ma me there be but wo wagina on so na on chima me hwade
quickly
ya na yeta ka se dia haban chia na na binum ehu sende etie chima me ate me boa fa go one ne nsa me so we enti mame
emu ate
ba me ya we so twe enti nyambo na suke be kan de we hu asem
entimente
so we so sisa we go nyambo next week me ba me yesa magic nyama ni bi a kire amanfo na ma kire duaba na na namom ne to omoyam na omunwu na ma sa kire etiefo se edi bi ntina ka Africans ai kuta more amount of mineral je ye koroma brofudro abrofo ntimi fo mo to ye da because du branding na kuta crefo na ye Africans ye kuta more amount of mineral etin kan sesen ka bibini kwa abroche se yakopɛ dro debi nensu som no ya hira mesre sa wo de wonyi nimpo abetoncha ne hu se biribi e wo wiase na news bi nso secretary e okrom abrante bi sende ne be mama o sende mama say no de sende ye most of the time say me yihwe ansa na me de adura aka but also onya time nti say no de sende na me so me sende ne jirima package say na ade na abede mabeda na o se ma ne nkofom in fact grace gift ka si wi a mintini e ma ne nkofom eti me so say no wa ma na ade se be ye aduru ndi ama this
okay
nsema ansa na
ya share
account
okay I was saying for me the musia grace gift next week obebantem obebantem it's time for food time. Stay with us.